Hello, I'm the teacher Kim Ho-Bin, and today we'll be learning about 는데. So 는데 is often used a lot with 있다 and 없다. So 없는데, 있는데, and then it's usually used to introduce a sentence that follows it. So let's get to exercise right away. Teacher Kim, subscribe and like. If A person says, "Give me coffee, please," coffee 주세요. B person, if there's no coffee, then you say, 커피 없는데, there's no coffee. 차 마실래요? Don't you want to drink tea? Okay, so because there's no coffee, he's asking, do you want to drink tea instead? Okay, so to introduce a new idea because there's no coffee. Okay, let's get to next exercise. 지금 혹시 여기 올 수 있어요? Can you come here right now? And then B person says, 지금 집에 있는데 I'm at home. 가기 귀찮아요. I'm too lazy to go. And next one is, 한국에 언제 오세요? When do you come to Korea? And B person says, 내일 가는데 I'm coming tomorrow. 내일 같이 밥 먹을래요? Do you want to eat together tomorrow? So you use 는데 to introduce a sentence which follows it. Because of something happened before, this is happening. So it can be kind of a linking phrase, linking word, and it can be almost similarly described as because A happened, it's B happening. So you use 는데, 없는데, 있는데. Okay, it's a little bit tricky because you gotta also add the stem of a verb to make a connection. But once you get hang of it, it gets easier. So if you just look at the exercises again, this will be more helpful. Well, this has been Teacher Kim, and see you next time. Bye.